Summer is getting brutal, and standard hats just don't cut it anymore. If you love the outdoors but hate the blistering heat, look at this. Meet the ultimate sun hat with built-in dual cooling fans. It features UPF 50+ protection, blocking 98% of harmful UV rays. But here is the game changer: dual power methods. It runs directly on solar power under the sun and has a Type-C rechargeable battery for up to 9 hours of continuous breeze. Whether you are fishing by the lake, camping, working in the garden, or traveling, this breathable, wide-brim hat keeps you icy cool everywhere. It is lightweight, fits perfectly with adjustable straps, and delivers hands-free cooling all day long. Don't let the heat ruin your outdoor adventures. Grab yours now. Check the official affiliate link in the description below.